Hello students, this video is on direct and indirect speech. We also call them narrations. Before starting, please ensure that you understand these rules. खाली ये छोटा सा चार्ट है जिससे अगर आप समझ लोगे you can easily make out, you can easily locate that which is the best answer to the question. And please, again I'm saying that do comment whatever you understand, whatever you don't understand, please comment so that I can discuss that also. So let's start. See this chart, this is a very simple chart. Once you're through with this, you can easily see, you can easily make out that which is the correct answer. See what we have done, rather what I have done is I have classified into present tense. The first 4 is for present, the next 4 is for past, and then for future is future tense. Okay, simple तरीके से आपको याद करा रही हूँ. Whenever we are talking about present tense, narration में direct में जब हम present tense की बात करते हैं, either it could be simple present जिसे हम simple indefinite भी बोलते हैं, present continuous, present perfect और present perfect continuous. Along with that I have given the auxiliary verbs also. ये जो auxiliary verb हैं ये सारे इनमें use होते हैं. Whenever we are talking about these in the direct speech, while converting them into indirect speech, what you are supposed to do, आपने इसको इसी के past tense में change कर देना है. Like if it is simple present या present indefinite, इसको आप simple past में या past indefinite में change कर दोगे. If it is present continuous, you will make it past continuous. If it is present perfect, then you can make it past perfect. And if it is present perfect continuous, you will make into past perfect continuous. ठीक है. So present tense में actually indirect में आप present tense use ही नहीं करते हो. So present tense क्या बन जाता है, उसी का past बन जाता है. Simple past बन जाएगा, past continuous बन जाएगा, past perfect बन जाएगा, past perfect continuous बन जाएगा. Now the next set of 4, we have past definite. Next set of 4, that means I'm talking about these 4. So past indefinite or simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Whenever the sentence is for this one in narration, indirect speech, then while converting it into indirect speech, you will change it into perfect. चाहे जो मर्जी आप उसको perfect में change कर दो. That means perfect को हम deep past भी बोलते हैं, है ना. V3 form हम V3 को deep past भी बोलते हैं. So if it is in past tense, you have to make it more past, so you'll make into V3, and V3 is in perfect tense. So past definite will become past perfect, past continuous will become past perfect continuous, past perfect will remain the same. Past perfect ही रहेगा, it is already in deep past, and past perfect continuous cannot be done, so there would also be no change. Future tense, future is the simplest of all. सबसे simple है future. Whenever it is future tense, you will just change it into would. Yes, even if it is will, shall है तो भी you will change it into would, and would will remain as would only. Future perfect continuous cannot be changed. वो change नहीं हो सकता है. So future tense, either if it is future continuous, then you can make it future continuous with the help of the word would. Will को आप would कर दोगे, shall को भी would ही करोगे. Please jot it down that if it is shall, like I said you that any sentence of future continuous or future tense you cannot make without will, shall or would. So अगर will है तो भी, अगर shall है तो भी. Shall को आप should नहीं करोगे, shall को भी आप would ही करोगे. Then there are few words. See here. Shall would be would only, not should. Must हो जाएगा must या had to. Yes, had to भी होता है. May would change into might. Can would change into could. Has or have would change into had to. Another set of examples. See, this is very important. क्यों important है आपको, अगर यही पता होगा तो आप इससे options easily rule out भी कर सकते हो. Out of 4, if you do not find any of these, ये answers में नहीं है तो आप उसे rule out कर सकते हो. Now would change into then, today would change into that day, here would change into there, tomorrow into the day after, next week the week after, yesterday would change into the day before, last week the week before, ago would change into previously, tonight would change into that night, next Saturday would change into that Saturday, last Sunday would change into the Sunday before, next year would change into the following year. Just go through these. Now let's proceed to the MCQs. We have 100 MCQs here. We'll be doing one by one. Number 1. Keshav said Rita is busy now. If you look into the sentence, अगर आप sentence देखो, the sentence is for which tense? Rita is busy now. It is simple present. Now क्या बन जाता है? Then बन जाता है. Now if you look into the option, then किसी भी option में नहीं है, खाली B में. If you do not know the answer also, सिर्फ now का then होगा तो आप उससे भी locate कर सकते हो. Otherwise it is Keshav informed that Rita was busy then. Second, he said, I have been a great mentor. Now have been perfect है. Have been is also perfect. So present perfect would change into past perfect. Had been हो जाएगा. Had been हमारे पास किस किस option में है? If you look into the 4 option, here we have, second में we do not have. Yes, second में we do not have. Third में भी we do not have. Here it is has been, but we are supposed to change into had been. So it is the A option. He said that I had been a great mentor. See the trick, how we are locating the answer. It will help you. It will increase your speed also. Now the third one. Rahul said, I will manage hereafter. First thing, hereafter would change into thereafter. So if we look here, thereafter is in B option and C option. That means इन दोनों में से एक होगा. Will change into would. Second में हमारे पास will है. Even if you do not know the answer, rules आपको पता है. C is the correct one. Rahul said that he would manage thereafter. Will has changed into would and hereafter has changed into thereafter. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें अगर आपको पता होंगी, even if you do not know the correct answer, still you can manage to proceed, still you can manage to go, still you can manage to locate the answer. Fourth, the guard asked, who are you? Now see, here is a question mark. So question mark is there. Question mark होता है interrogative sentence में. So here it would be asked, या तो asked आ सकता है, okay, asked ही आ सकता है. So the guard asked who I was should be the correct one. Why? Because it is present tense and present tense को आप क्या बना दोगे? Simple past. So it has to be D. The guard asked who I was. Fifth, she said, bring a glass of water for me. Bring a glass of water, please. Now, what is this? जब please लग गया, it is a request. So, request is in B option. Command वो है नहीं, asked है नहीं, ordered है नहीं. She requested me to bring a glass of water. The moment it is please, please is always a request and never an order. Order नहीं है, order and command is one and the same thing. Asked भी नहीं आ सकता. Because it is an imperative sentence. Imperative में आप किसी को order दे रहे हो, command दे रहे हो, such sentences you would change with like this only. Then sixth, the salesman said, are you interested in this scheme? Again there is a question mark. एक question mark है. Said, since it is a question mark, it has to be asked. पूछा है उसने. So the salesman asked if I was interested in the scheme. Since it is again simple present है तो वो simple past आ जाएगा. Are you है तो वो बन जाएगा I was. It is in passive form. Your sentence is in passive form. ऐसा नहीं है are है तो वो continuous ही होगा. are के साथ जब third form लग जाता है तो sentence automatically becomes of passive. Then we have 7th. She said they will be leaving soon. The easiest of all, will be हो जाएगा would be. So would be we are having only in C option. She said that they would be leaving soon. 8th. The teacher said the wind is a renewable energy resource. See this sentence. This sentence is universal truth. है ना, यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ है. सो सेट की जगह यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ में टेल्स आ जाएगा. और टेल्स किस में है? वी हैव ओनली इन द डी ऑप्शन. द टीचर टेल्स दैट द विंड वॉज अ रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्स. सी हाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग. यू विल सॉल्व इन द सेम मैनर. 9th. द पुलिसमैन सेड डोंट क्रॉस द स्पीड लिमिट. नो, पुलिसमैन सेड डोंट. जब डोंट आ गया, देखो डोंट सिंपल प्रेजेंट में भी आता है बट दैट इज़ इन सम डिफरेंट सेंस. यहाँ पे आप किसी को ऑर्डर दे रहे हो कि आप अपनी स्पीड की लिमिट नहीं बढ़ाओगे, यू विल नॉट क्रॉस. सो द मोमेंट यू आर यूजिंग डोंट और ऑर्डर है, या तो ऑर्डर्ड आता या फिर फोरबेड. सो सी इज़ द करेक्ट वन. द पुलिसमैन फोरबेड मी टू क्रॉस द स्पीड लिमिट. 10th. शी सेड what a beautiful view. Now see, you can see an exclamation mark here. Exclamation mark है B C D में, सब में exclaimed यूज हुआ है. so answer has to be from these 3. A आप rule out कर दो. what a beautiful view. अब what a beautiful view है, it is again in simple present, तो ये simple past हो जाएगा. was आना चाहिए. so what a, she exclaimed that the view was beautiful. It has to be D. Okay, it has to be D. She exclaimed that, again I'm just repeating, she exclaimed that the view was beautiful. 11th. The suspect said I am not guilty. सिंपल है, I am is simple present, ये तो was आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. अब was किस में है? सिर्फ डी में नहीं है, डी आप हटा दो. ओके, ओनली इन डी वी आर नॉट हैविंग वॉज, सो वॉज हट गया. अदरवाइज इट इज़ द सस्पेक्ट सेड आई एम नॉट गिल्टी. द सस्पेक्ट एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क भी है. येस, सी द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. द सस्पेक्ट एक्सक्लेम्ड दैट ही वॉज नॉट गिल्टी. द सस्पेक्ट एक्सक्लेम्ड दैट ही वॉज नॉट गिल्टी. नाउ 14th. Miss Nita said reschedule the meeting to next Monday. Reschedule the meeting to next Monday. Next Monday आएगा following day. अब following day से ही आप देख लो, B cannot be there, Monday भी ये yes इसमें है, so A या फिर D. Now reschedule the meeting to next. Rita asked to reschedule the meeting to the following day. Miss Nita asked for the rescheduling. आप अपने आप ing कैसे ऐड कर रहे हो? No, you cannot do it. So it has to be 14A. Okay, 14A. Now 15. Jen said I like drawing sketches. Here it has to be D. Jen said that she likes drawing sketches. Now 16th. She said to him it is good to see you. Simple present है, so it has to be simple past. is बन जाएगा was. So she exclaimed that it was good to see him. 17th. Maria said please lend me a pen. Maria said please lend me a pen. Imperative sentence है जिसमें request है. So Maria requested me to lend her a pen. ऑर्डर्ड नहीं आ सकता है, बेग्ड भी नहीं आ सकता है, एंड आस्क्ड भी नहीं आ सकता. इट हैज़ टू बी रिक्वेस्टेड. नाउ 18th. Daniel said where have you been. इट इज़ इन परफेक्ट टेंस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है तो पास्ट परफेक्ट बन जाएगा. हैड यू बीन आना चाहिए. अब हम देखते हैं हैड यू बीन किस में है. फर्स्ट में है, सेकेंड में इट इज़ नॉट देयर, थर्ड में भी इट इज़ नॉट देयर, एंड लास्ट में है. बट देन क्वेश्चन मार्क इज देयर, सो सेड नहीं आ सकता. इट हैज़ टू बी आस्क्ड. So Daniel asked me where I had been. 19th. Ranjan said you cannot park here. Exclamation mark भी है, so sentence is again imperative का sentence है. Ranjan exclaimed that can बन जाएगा could. Now if you see the option, could हमारे पास सिर्फ C में है. So Ranjan exclaimed that I couldn't park here. 20. Harish said will you accompany me there. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो ये फ्यूचर है, सो हेयर का देयर नहीं देयर का हेयर नहीं बन सकता. विल चेंज इनटू वुड. सो इट हैज़ टू बी ओनली ए इज द ऑप्शन जहाँ पे वुड है. हरीश आस्क्ड मी इफ आई वुड accompany हिम देयर. गॉट इट. विल का वुड बनेगा. इट हैज़ टू बी ए ऑप्शन. 21. Wow, this is so beautiful, Jacob said. Wait. It is again no yes, exclamation mark is there, so it has to be again imperative sentence. Imperative sentence है तो exclaimed आएगा. And this is so beautiful is जो है that will become was. Exclaimed और was का combination check करो. We do not have in A, we do not have in B also. Was है नहीं है. Yes, definitely we have in C, so C is your correct answer. Jacob exclaimed with amazement that was so beautiful. 22nd. Tina said I may postpone the trip to the next year. अब दो चीज़ें आपने इसमें ढूंढनी है. You have to search two things. May जो है, this may would change into might, right? And this next year, this next year should change into following year. अब आप देख लो आपको कहाँ पर ये कॉम्बिनेशन मिल रहा है. फर्स्ट वन you have next year, you do not have might. Second में you have might also and you do not have following year. If you see third, in the third you have both of them, so it is the best answer. Third one. Tina said that she might postpone the trip to the following year. I hope you are understanding कि आपको locate कैसे करना है आंसर्स. ये देखो मैंने एक मे वाला ट्रिक लगाया और एक फॉर. ये कब आपको पता चलेगा? when you will read the rules. So at the beginning only मैंने आपको rules दे दिए. Just go through that small chart and this will help you in your exams. Next. 23rd. She said you have been late. Everybody is here already. ये जो आपका है, this is your present perfect. This has to be past perfect. So have been जो है वो बन जाएगा had been. सर्च कर लो ऑप्शंस में कहाँ पे है. Here it is not there. Here also it is not there. यहाँ भी नहीं है. A है. It has to be A. She said that I had been late and everybody was there already. See, such a simple way. सिर्फ have been जो है उसको had been करना है. ये कैसे पता चला आपको? ये चार्ट से पता चला. See the chart. 24th. Joseph said alas there are difficult. alas हम एक negatively यूज़ करते हैं किसी चीज़ के लिए, grieve करने के लिए. Okay. So Joseph said exclaimed तो आएगा यहाँ पे. exclaimed की जगह you can also use the word sighed. sigh क्या होता है? sorrow में जब हम किसी को जैसे करते हैं, what to say, आप कहीं पे जाके अफसोस करते हो, उसके लिए हम साइड यूज़ करते हैं. सो जोसेफ सेड अल्लाह दीज आर डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम्स. दीज आप एक तो साइड का साइड चेक कर सकते हो और दीज का बन जाएगा दोज. यू विल चेक दिस ऑल्सो. ओके, सो इट हैज़ टू बी सी में ही दिख रहा है मुझे. जोसेफ साइड विद सॉरो दैट दोज वर डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम्स. 25th. Tim said, I may teach you if you will show sincerity. अब may बन जाएगा might. might कहाँ कहाँ पे है? किसी में नहीं है might. देखो ये कितना easy रहा आपको locate करना. Why? Because you know that may has to be might in the indirect. It's not, it's might. MIGHT. Okay, again I am repeating, your may would change into might. may जो है वो might बन जाएगा. It has to be A option. बाकी किसी में भी नहीं है. 26th. Now instructions for question 26. Select the most appropriate option to change the sentences from reported speech to direct speech. Means आपको indirect में दिया हुआ है, अब आपने direct बनाना है. So first 25 questions, they were on direct to indirect. This one is indirect to direct. He asked me if I was free that afternoon. That afternoon बन जाएगा this afternoon. अब this afternoon जो है वो A में भी है हमारे पास and C में भी है. was बन जाएगा is. So it has to be, अच्छा is बनेगा, बट हमारा जो यहाँ पे you है, you के साथ हमेशा R आता है. So he said, are you free this afternoon? If नहीं लगेगा, what is the reason why we have ruled out C option? C option हमने क्यों ruled out किया? You are already putting a question mark. जब question mark put कर दिया तो asked उसको आप क्यों लगा, if क्यों लगा रहे हो? You're not supposed to use if. Okay? 27th. He said he would deposit the check the following day. अब following day जब होता है तो उसको हम डायरेक्ट में कहाँ कैसे यूज़ करते हैं? हम नेक्स्ट डे के लिए following day लगाते हैं. और नेक्स्ट डे किस में है? We have next day only in the A option, so I'm not looking into other options. It has to be A. He said, I will deposit the check the next day. See how we are solving. From this you will also learn the pace. Pace is your speed, how to increase it. 28th. George exclaimed with joy that he was happy with his result. Exclaimed means ही इज़ हैप्पी. हैप्पी के लिए हम क्या क्या यूज़ करते हैं? वाओ यूज़ करते हैं, हुर्रे यूज़ करते हैं. अब देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. आई एम हैप्पी विद, इसमें कुछ भी एक्सक्लेमेशन का है ही नहीं. सो वी कैन नॉट हियर, यू नीड, सिंस द वर्ड इज एक्सक्लेम्ड, सो आपको एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क तो यहाँ पे होना ही चाहिए. हियर वी डू नॉट हैव, इन दोनों में है, बट अल्लास यू कैन नॉट यूज. आई सेड अल्लास इज अ नेगेटिव फीलिंग ना, नेगेटिव वर्ड है. इट इज़ नॉट नेगेटिव फीलिंग, नेगेटिव वर्ड है. ग्रीफ के लिए आप यूज़ करते हो. सो इट हैज़ टू बी सी. हुर्रे, आई एम हैप्पी विथ माई रिजल्ट. सो 28 सी. 29th. He told the peon to inform the manager. Inform the manager. Okay, so he told the peon to inform the manager. Said तो आएगा ही आएगा इसमें. And it is here told है, told का said बन जाएगा. So it has to be A. He said to the peon, inform the manager. Must आप अपने आप नहीं लगा सकते. Should आप अपने आप नहीं लगा सकते. Shall आप अपने आप नहीं लगा सकते. This is the reason why we have opted for only option A and not any other. 30th. The shopkeeper said that those clothes were really expensive. Those बन जाएगा these. एक्चुअली दीज का दोस्त बनता है. अब आप देखो दीज किस में है. वी हैव दीज इन डी ऑप्शन एंड वी हैव दीज इन बी ऑप्शन. सो ए एंड सी तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू हैव रूल्ड आउट. दोज क्लोथ. अब वर रियली एक्सपेंसिव. वर रियली एक्सपेंसिव, व्हेन यू हैव वर यू आर सपोज टू यूज आर. सो दीज क्लोथ्स आर रियली एक्सपेंसिव. वर का वर नहीं रहेगा. सो इट हैज टू बी बी. 31. The warden said that she was in charge. She की जगह आना चाहिए यहाँ पे I. डायरेक्ट में ये I हो जाएगा. She will change into I. Was जो है that has to be, since I है तो I के साथ am. अब आप देख लो I और am का कॉम्बिनेशन कहाँ है. I shall you cannot use. I have been भी नहीं लगा सकते. I would be भी नहीं, जब है ही नहीं सेंटेंस फ्यूचर में तो you cannot use. It has to be I plus am, and I plus am is only in A option. So the correct one is 31 A. 32nd. He prayed that God might fulfill her wish. Might है, might इनडायरेक्ट में है, डायरेक्ट में इट हैज़ टू बी मे. सो 32nd, मे गॉड फुलफिल हर विश. दिस इज द बेस्ट वन. योर नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, हर ही आएगा. अच्छा, वेन एवर यू आर गिविंग ब्लेसिंग, आप जब मे लगा रहे हो ना, वेन एवर यू यूजिंग मे, आप ब्लेसिंग दे रहे हो. ब्लेसिंग के साथ ये फुलफिल्स तो जो है वो फुलफिल्ड नहीं हो सकती. इट कैन नेवर बी फुलफिल्ड. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, मे गॉड ब्लेस्ड यू, वी नेवर से. सो इट हैज़ टू बी ब्लेस ओनली. 33. The chairman said that it was his pleasure to be there that evening. Now if you see the sentence, इसमें बहुत सारे आपको keywords I would say you will get. सबसे पहला है that there would change into here, and that evening this one would change into this evening. So सबसे पहले हम locate करते हैं here और this का combination. That means here this evening. ये कहाँ पे आ रहा है? Here A में तो हमारे पास नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, सो A आप रूल आउट कर दो. वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन व्हाट वी आर सर्चिंग फॉर. इन द सेकेंड हियर एंड दिस इज देयर. ठीक है, आ सकता है. देयर एंड दिस है, सो C कैन ऑल्सो नॉट बी देयर. हियर और दिस है D में. नाउ यू आर सपोज टू चूज बिटवीन B एंड D. इट वॉज हिज प्लेजर. इट वॉज ए पास्ट है, इट हैज़ टू बी इन प्रेजेंट. ये इज आना चाहिए. सो इट इज़ माई प्लेजर. हैड बीन यू कैन नेवर यूज. परफेक्ट है, परफेक्ट कहाँ से आ गया? सो वी कैन नॉट यूज. इट हैज़ टू बी बी. द चेयरमैन सेड इट इज़ माई प्लेजर टू बी हियर दिस इवनिंग. सी हाउ आई एम रूलिंग आउट ऑप्शंस. 34. शी आस्क्ड वेदर जेसिका वुड अराइव द फॉलोइंग वीक. अब दो चीज़ें आपने सर्च करनी है. वन इज दैट दिस वुड विल चेंज इनटू विल एंड फॉलोइंग वीक वुड चेंज इनटू नेक्स्ट वीक. अब हम देखते हैं ये दो कॉम्बिनेशन कहाँ पे हैं. ए और बी में तो वी डू नॉट हैव. इफ वी सी सी विल भी है और नेक्स्ट वीक भी है. सो सी और डी, यस डी में भी है. बट वाई वी विल चूज D over C? The reason is that arriving नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. It has to be arrive. Okay, will Jessica, क्योंकि simple future है. With simple future we never use ing. ing is always used with continuous. So it has to be D. 35. He said that I had to reach early. Now here if we see had है, when it is had, so had हम किसके लिए लगाते हैं? must के साथ. if it is must then also we use had. I've given in the rules also. So it has to be D. He said you must reach early. 36. The technician said that he would repair the laptop. The things which we will search for, that it should be will. would की जगह will आना चाहिए. would repair the laptop. अब हम देखते will किस में. we have will only in the first option. So here we go. 36A is the correct one. The technician said I will repair the laptop. 37. Natasha pleaded. When do we plead? Whenever. Pleaded to her mother to let her buy a black dress. Now plead कर रही है तो plead has to be with let. Let already वहाँ पे है ही है. So it has to be A. Natasha pleaded to her mother, let me buy a black dress. Simple है, ऊपर वाले को ही आपने change करना है. The only thing is that यहाँ पे हर जो है that would become me. 38. Vinay said that the maid had taken a day off. Vinay said that, what you will search for here? Vinay said that, wait, yes, had will change into has. No other change would be there. So had जो है हमारा has में change हुआ है only in the C option. So C is the correct one. Vinay said that. Why we have changed had into has? इट हैज़ टू बी पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट है तो पास्ट को आप प्रेजेंट में ले आओगे, हैड वुड बिकम हैज़. थर्ड फॉर्म है, थर्ड फॉर्म वुड रिमेन थर्ड फॉर्म ओनली सिंस इट इज अ सेंटेंस ऑफ perfect tense. Now 39th. The reporter confirmed that the news was fake. The news is fake जहाँ पे भी है that would be your right one. So B और D में है, that नहीं हो सकता. Here it has to be this, so it has to be B option. Okay, it has to be B option, this one. ये जो that है this has to be this, और was जो है वो is आएगा. So this और is का combination if you see you have only in the B option. The reporter said that this news is fake. 40. Gunjan said that he might not come that night. Again we'll search for two things here. The two things are that might would change into may and that night would change into tonight. अब आप देख लो कहाँ पे है. वी हैव ओनली इन द सी ऑप्शन. सो गुंजन सेड ही मे नॉट कम टुनाइट. 41. द डॉक्टर आस्क्ड, आस्क्ड है क्वेश्चन आएगा. वेदर, आस्क्ड और वेदर है तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ही आएगा. अच्छा, व्हेन इफ़ यू आर पुटिंग द क्वेश्चन मार्क, इफ़ आप नहीं लगा सकते. ही हैड शोन एनी रिकवरी. हैड वुड चेंज इनटू हैज़, सो इट हैज़ टू बी 41B. The doctor said, has he shown any recovery? 42. He asked whether his belongings were. अब इसमें आप क्या क्या सर्च करोगे? You would search his की जगह आना चाहिए my. So C. He said, where are my belongings? 43rd. Lisa said she would be traveling. Wait. Lisa said she would be traveling following day. अब इसमें आप दो चीज़ें लोगे. You will take two things here. Those two things are, you will search for shall. Wait, let me see the sentence. Lisa said she would be traveling the following day. फॉलोइंग डे किस में चेंज होता है? फॉलोइंग डे वुड चेंज इनटू नेक्स्ट डे. अब नेक्स्ट डे किस में है? वी हैव नेक्स्ट डे ओनली इन दी वन ऑप्शन, दैट इज सी. अच्छा, शैल क्यों हुआ? मैंने आपको बोला था चाहे विल है चाहे शैल है, यू विल चेंज इनटू वुड ओनली. इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि शैल का शुड बन जाएगा. 44. ऋषभ एक्सक्लेम्ड विद ग्रीफ हिज फ्रेंड हैड डाइड. अल्लास आएगा, ग्रीफ है, माई फ्रेंड डाइड. ही डाइज नहीं आ सकता. अल्लास वी हैव ओनली इन ए और बी, बट ए में डाइज यूज किया विच कैन नॉट बी यूज हियर, सो इट हैज़ टू बी बी ऑप्शन. ऋषभ सेड अल्लास माई फ्रेंड डाइड. 45. द कोच आस्क्ड इफ ही हैड एनी डाउट. द कोच, अच्छा इसमें क्वेश्चन भी आप पुट कर सकते हो. सो हियर इट वुड बी the coach said to us, do you have any doubt? So it has to be C1. has you cannot use, ये had का हमने have बनाया यहाँ पे, so otherwise ये आप first option नहीं कर सकते. any doubt is doesn't make any sense, so B option भी आप rule out कर दो. and D में would है, would आप ले ही नहीं सकते हो, so it has to be C. 46. Mr. Stevens said that the explanation was easier. Was will become is. So answer is already written. It's D only. Mr. Stevens said this explanation is easier. 47. The king ordered that they should celebrate their victory. अब order ऐसा कौन सा word है जिससे आपको पता चल रहा है? It is order. may जो है you cannot use. may में कभी भी order नहीं होता. C, it cannot be there. No, it has to be 47B. The king said we should celebrate. should दे दिया ना इसने, so it is an order that we should celebrate our victory. 48. He asked who had been responsible for that. That would change into this. सब में this है तो आप इसमें कोई भी rule out नहीं कर सकते हो. had been will change into was only. So it has to be 48A. He said who was responsible for this. 40. Wait, just a moment. 50. Kiara said that she had been planning. Had been planning is present perfect continuous को आपने past perfect continuous किया है. So it has to be either has या have आना चाहिए, plus been आना चाहिए और plus ing आना चाहिए. अब देख लो ये ऑप्शन कहाँ पे है. You have only in C. So Kiara said I have been planning for this for a while. So here we wrap up with 50 MCQs. I hope you have understood. Go through the rules. These rules will surely help you. If you have any doubt, post comments. Thank you so much.